Right, I haven't made one of these for a while. P-Raw, the micro toolkit, always changing, forever evolving. Spare pump, so we have 2 pumps. Spare band for my modular cage. We have a micro sewing kit. Yes, been there, done that. Lightweight spare seat clamp. Bearing in mind some of this might be for someone else, not just myself. Spare Allen key. And obviously we've got a spare one on there as well. Union chain tool with I just had a bit of titanium bar hanging around, bit of extra leverage. 3 tie levers of varying combos. Stiffer, bendier, stiffer with a different shape. Brook saddle, bolts can snap. Managed to source a titanium bolt. It's all about keeping the weight down, folks. Every little matters. All these lightweight things add up to lots of weight. That's why you've got to decide on what you need to take and what to leave at home. Some spare brake pads. Obviously, if they're like, you know, you can go lighter. We can just carry a spare like tube and repair kit. Bit of latex inner tube there for getting a good grip on some nuts. Ha ha, have a good laugh down below. Various bolts and press the valves and that in there. Some spare links, got some 10 speed and some 12 speed. All these things here, if you snap your cable, they'll get you home. That one there is extra long, which would go for my seat tube mount down to like the front neck, so you can obviously adjust that wherever you want. And then these are easy to make, and you can use these for your rear Durianrider, rear mech. And spare one of those, been there and done that and lost one before. Spare chain links, spare washers and a caliper bolt. Then, although I'm not carrying this in this toolkit, I've been playing around with the mini wrenches and currently using on my other bike the toe peak, because it's obviously a bit slimmer and a bit lighter. I mean, this is just another kit I was playing around with. As you can see, all about that micro toolkit, you know, everything you need and lightweight. These things can get lost as well. They're like the tiny little screws you get in your front shifters. Modified spanner for Brook saddle, but we've got something else for that now. I know, I'm obsessed, people. We're obsessed. So there's so much you can carry. Obviously, if you've got old brake cables, you can make a bunch of these. P-Raw over and out.